Good day, everyone. My report is a prototype line following robot for greenhouse industry. I'm Acido-Laureta. So, yun. Let's start. So, what is a prototype line following robot? So, it is to design and to build robot that work for multi-purpose application that can use of mechanism and circuit late edition of transition. So, kung nababasa nyo, yan siya. Ayan. So, yun, bakit nga ba nasabing dinisign daw siya at ibinild para sa multi-purpose application? So, yun, for example, ginawa kasi siyang may sensor. For example, for greenhouse industry, kaya niyang mag-spray sa simple tomato industry. Meron siyang sensor na line prototype. So, yun. And second is ito. This is a simple and very common electronic component that we able to use and buy in the nearest electronic shops. So, this project is a simple and a very common components. So, by using simple technology, human effort is reduced in the field of planting industry. It helps to save time, to save more time. So, yun. Therefore, syempre pag pag nakakapag-save tayo ng time natin, kaya natin makagawa ng ibang gawain. So, therefore, you can do another job while the machines is running. And the third is the line following robot is useful when it comes to greenhouse industry. The component used to build this simple production is very one's idea. So, yun, mababanggit natin maya-maya kung bakit nga ba simple tong product na to. Kahit sino lang kayang gawin. So, yun. And the fourth is the simple prototype line following robot conclude as to start the simplest modern technology. Next slide is oh my god. Hindi na gumagana. How prototype line following robot? Paano nga ba ginawa to? So, the project aims was to build a robot controlled by 8-pin IC to follow a line completely autonomously and able to bring a weight that is specified. It's based on the flat form block structure with the light-dependent resistor or LDR. At the front, they use NE555 timer as IC. This is also taken as the heart of the robot and is powered by 9 to 12 volt direct current, provided the necessary power supply. It is simple design by Workbench Electronic Design, Circuit Wizard, and also to take it a robot, they use a transistor or microcontroller in a prototype circuit board. So, yung may nakalagay nga diyang quotation, ito, mark natin. Ayan. Seen as a robot as a toy. Kung i-imagine lang siya, maliit lang siya. So, yun, papakita ko mamaya kung anong itsura niya. So, here is the block diagram. Number 1 is a sensor array. Meron siyang light-dependent resistor. And the second is microcontroller. Nabubulala ko dun. NE55 timer. And pababa siya sa motor driver. Merong motor 1 and merong motor 2. So, yun. Yung binanggit ko kanina. Yun. Yun na yun. Yun. Okay. So, the sensor array which makes the robot able to communicate with the environment, although only the line is the robot that is seeking. So, yun. Kaya, nakaka-communicate yung robot natin with the environment through line. So, yun kaya siya pwedeng gamitin sa tomato farm, sa mga farm, basta yung may line. Yan. Susunod is a microcontroller, which is responsible for automations and whole system process. A motor drive, this is a trimmer resistor for the adjustment of sensitivity and the transistor and 12 volts direct current relay to the main controller of the two motors. So, yun. Here's the table, direction and movement of this robot, a prototype line following robot. So, sa robot movement, meron siyang straight, left, and right. So, yun. Sa right motor, pwede siyang mag-run. Sa left motor, pwede siyang mag-run. And sa left, sa right motor, pwedeng mag-run and stop. And sa right naman, yung right motor, kaya niya mag-stop. And yung left motor, kaya rin niyang mag-run. So, describe the behavior. This table describe the behavior of the robot according to the directions it will follow. So, yun. Related projects. So, nilagay ko rin siya para, kumbaga, parang yun yung pinaggayahan. Yun yung pinagkuhanan ng idea. So, yun. According to the Normani Abdul Ghani et al., a two-way balancing robot which has the line following capacity and balancing it. They use infrared distance sensors to solve problems in inclination. Yan yung na-invento niya. Ayan. And Pakdaman M. et al. Has designed a small prototype robot which has used two AR sensors to detect the line drawn on the floor. That system design for the robot competition. Meron ding mga robot competition, mga ganun lang kasimple. Yung makukuha lang sa paligid natin. So, yun. According to Kolak, he designed a line following robot to use in the shopping malls for entertainment. That system used 4.8 cm wide backline to carry maximum load of 400 kg. So, yan, they use also a manual controller. Yung may pinipindot-pindot. Yan. Oh, here. This is the picture of my report. Ayan. Kaya, nasabing makukuha lang siya sa paligid natin. Mabibili lang siya sa electronic shops. Yan. Napakasimple, diba? CD lang siya doon. Tsaka, nandito yung microcontroller niya. Ito yung pinakang body. Tapos, ito yung sa tagasunod para sa line. So, yun. Yun lang po ang aking report. Sana po nagustuhan nyo. And